What you doing?
I am about to tear down and clean the Capra.
Why?
We've had 2 crawls with it and it is dirty, and yeah, some of the paint didn't quite stick as well as we thought it might to these homemade body panels. So I'm going to tear it down, clean it up, and we may be getting a new color scheme.
So what do you have to do with this?
Everything.
Okay.
I have to take all the body panels off. I'm going to take tires and wheels off. I'm going to take it down, make sure all the grease is good in all the differentials. Take it down farther than I've really ever taken it down this time. Just make sure everything's good.
Awesome.
Very own custom cut phones.
Most of that sand.
A little bit of mud. Mostly Red River sand.
Yeah. When it dries, it turns to like sand.
Like Red River concrete.
It's actually pretty fine down there on the sand.
Yeah, I had a good time.
The rocks are actually more interesting than I thought they were going to be.
Very little serendipitous trip down to the river.
Yeah.
I only turn them inside out so that they'll drain good.
Oh.
Because all the water that gets hung on the inside of them will now be on the outside. Well, we've got it all tore down, and now we're going to start cutting body panels. Get these laid out, trace around them with a marker, and start getting them cut out. We're just doing a little dry fitting right now, making sure everything looks like it's going to fit and work right. And a couple of panels I'm going to have to warm up and bend. We'll have to sand and smooth a lot of edges, but we're getting there.